I am a fourth year computer science student, and I still feel like I am very much a beginner in coding and programming in general. And I've been struggling with what people call tutorial hell. I keep jumping from one thing to another, and I always get a little bit done, and then I just end up losing motivation, losing focus, and I feel like I'm not learning much. I've tried so many courses, free mostly, nothing really helped. I know what a lot of things mean, but I just don't know how to implement them. And honestly, I've tried Free Code Camp. I've heard a lot of people talk about it, and I've had great results so far. This is what I think for now is the best way to start learning. And as this quote says, the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing.
Just do it!
So as you can see in Free Code Camp, it's free, it's in the name, and there's a bunch of courses and certifications that you can get. They don't really hold any value when it comes to like getting a job, but it really helps you learn a lot. And as you can see here, there's a responsive web design certification. This mainly focuses on HTML and CSS, and then there's JavaScript algorithms and data structures, and everything is basically just in the name. I don't really plan on finishing everything because some things I just don't care much about, like database. I already took my database courses in college and I'm not really a fan of that, but my main focus is going to be 1, 2, 3, maybe a little bit of Python, things like that. And I just want to get familiar with coding and problem solving and getting better with the syntax of some languages. And this is the only way I feel like you kind of have like a mentor, like you don't have to pay for a tutor, you just have one with you. And as you can see, like if you click on this one, you have a bunch of apps and lessons, I guess you could say, projects that you can build. And then at the end of, like, for example, the courses, you have this one and this one and this one and this one, and then at the end you have a certification project. So as you can see, there's you need to finish this project to earn your certification, and that's just all about like if you care about the certification. But I don't really care about it, so I don't really plan on finishing everything, like I said. And I might not even, I don't know, I don't really have enough confidence to say that I can do this, but if I can, that would be great. But as you can see, I already did the first two. I'm going to be going over them in future videos, and then I'm going to do a third one without finishing it beforehand. I'm just going to do like a raw video where I haven't practiced and it's just completely new to me and I've never done this one. But for these two, I've already done them, so I'm going to be kind of going over them real quick. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This one is 69 steps, this one is 91 steps, and this one is going to be 94. I don't really know if they all get, no, okay, they're not more steps like each, but you get the point. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. I just want to get the basics down, and then I'm going to move on to JavaScript and Python, as they're the most programming languages that are used in the industry, and they're just very versatile and they're just very like needed. I really hope I can help myself and you guys with these upcoming videos, and if you have any tips and tricks, I would really very much appreciate them.